morning.
Morning. So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very fine.
Okay. So good, you are doing well.
Yeah.
Can you lift this leg up?
Yeah.
Good, good. So you are doing good, you are lifting
Yeah.
the leg
Yeah.
just within 24 hours after the surgery. Pain?
No.
Good. Keep doing well. Okay.
Yeah.
So did you start walking today?
Yeah. I was very comfortable and I was very comfortable on the operation table and I was not afraid even a single minute. And he did so well, I can't explain in words.
Thank you so much for trusting
Thank
us.
you so much. I say you arise day by day.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your blessings.
Thank you.
Thank you.